Welcome to my channel. See how I'm up and it.
Doing a fuel pump on a 94 Honda Accord. Let me show you the way you're gonna do it, and then I'll give you the link for this tool so you can buy one for yourself. So first, there's gonna be a hole there already. So what you gotta do is stick this in. I'm gonna go that way. There's your fuel pump. Save time and money. You know, the thing with these old cars, dropping the tank, you can break a lot of stuff, and then you're gonna end up wasting more time than what it's supposed to be. All right, so for this to work, you just need a regular drill, and then you lock it right there. And then this thing is gonna come with two different cutters. So one is bigger than the other one. See, one right, concentrate. This one right there. And then this is the one we just used, the little one. So it comes with a little handle. This thing, you put it right here. It'll come with a key, so you can change it. There's some other stuff in there. Also, it's gonna come with a thing so you can drill the hole. And this is like so you can do your mark. It's like a little ruler. This is how the box look like that. And then this is how it look like, the real box. And these are all the tools you get. Here you can see battery right there. All right. But like I said, the link will be in the description so you can buy your own. I hope this video helped you. Like always, please subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you in the next one. Time to close it back. Just get any caulk, any silicone, and do this. If anybody asks you, you say you learned this from the master. EC access for next time.
It almost looks like you just putting whipped cream on a cake. Icing on the cake.
That should be good. Now, you can either put a plastic bag or a newspaper. So let me get a newspaper, and I'll show you.
And that's just the float right there.
So you get a newspaper, fold it, so wet enough. Like that. Set it right there. dry. Put your cover back on, and you're done.